Hey, I'm BACKSTITCH Crafty. So today we're covering more Pokemon and a long-awaited request for a Drifloon. The Evolution series will be completed soon also, and we'll be working on a few starters as soon as work clears up in real life for me. Here's a list of everything you need. You don't have to use Rose Swirl Minky for the cloud, standard white Minky will be fine. The pattern is linked in the description and is for free for my DeviantArt and my Pinterest. It's the second link down. Make sure your pattern is scaled to an A4 piece of paper and press fit to page to make sure it fits properly. The first thing you need to do is sew up the dart at the top and bottom of the body piece. Repeat the same for the second body piece. Before we join these together, we need to prepare the knot of the balloon. Take the spike pieces and place them tracing facing up, and sew it along the jagged edge, leaving the straight edges open. When you reach each point, go straight across to give the fabric more breathing room so the points fold out properly. Then, sew the shorter width sides together to create a loop. Once done, flip it upright. Take 2 of the 4 yellow pieces and begin sewing them together. Leave enough gap to flip, then flip it upright. Before we close off the open edge, take a long strand of black embroidery floss with a knot at the end and thread it through the point of this piece. Once done, use an invisible stitch to close off the gap. Repeat the same process with the remaining 2 yellow pieces. With all pieces prepped, place 2 body pieces together wrong side up so the darts in the centre align and begin joining it together. When you reach just before the bottom dart, tuck the knot pieces in so the seam of the shorter width edges is centred on one side and sew it in along the seam, making sure to sew through all 4 layers of the knot when doing it. Once done, continue the stitch. When you've almost reached the end, flip it upright. Before you close it off, thread in the embroidery floss with the yellow pieces on each side of the knot that you joined. Use the excess thread to pull it to the hole that you left and tie a knot at the end of the string, then pull it into place. When both pieces of string are secured, stuff it thoroughly. Use an invisible stitch to close off the gap once done. Pin the eyes and cross to the front side and use a backstitch and matching thread to join these pieces on. To make sure all of the cross is secured when doing it, try and put your pin into each of the points of the cross so they lay exactly where you want them to be. You can of course do this beforehand with a machine if you want to. Once the details are joined, place 2 cloud pieces together, tracing showing, and begin joining them. When you've almost reached the end of the sewing line, flip it upright and stuff it. Close off the gap with an invisible stitch. Pin this securely to the top of the head using an invisible stitch to secure it down. And that is how you make a Drifloon plushie. Make sure you like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!